Howdy, paper engineers in training. This is the jewelry box I've been working on. This is the base right down here. These little push pins, those are going to be sliding on the bottom so that they don't scratch anything. But anyway, as you can see, yesterday I glued this down last night and went ahead and clamped it all in place. So now what we're going to do is pull all these clamps off of here and see how well this performed. It's nice to get these little clamps, all kinds of different clamps. Okay. Oh, it's on there good. Now, when these come out like this, uh-oh, oh no, I didn't think about it being glued in there. Oh, come on, this can't be happening. Oh, geez, how'd that happen? Anyway, these are little things that can go wrong. And so, oh boy, oh, I just straightened that right out. Didn't use heavy enough stuff. Okay, now with this being said, you have to just work this loose. And I don't know why it's stuck. It doesn't make sense. Oh, is that piece there stuck? Oh no, come on. This is the only problem with making a trap door like this. You can't see what you're doing. Oh no. Oh well, it's paper. It's easy to fix. Now, what happened there? How did that get stuck? Well, there's only one thing to do. You've gotta get your parts out of here. If I can get this to work, oh man, what in the heck? Ah, there we go. Okay. Oh, that's not good. How in the world did I manage to do that? I have no idea. Somehow I glued this in there. There we go. That started to work. Okay, this has been a pain. I don't like doing things like this. It makes for a bad project. Okay. There we go. All right, you guys. Wow, it glued here. Some back here, glued a little bit there. But now that I have this is what I have to check and see now. Okay, it goes back in there just fine. And it comes out just fine. Now, the only thing I got to do right now is I have to check and see if stretching that did not pull these pins out of place. That went in. And that one went in. And now it won't come out. Okay, I fixed it, coach. The only problem was that I destroyed this front piece. Not a problem. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to sand down these high spots. Just like this. And since this drawer had to be in there to glue the top on, to make sure it was correct, you kind of have to work with stuff sometimes. It's just the way it goes with the nature of paper. Okay, I think that's it. I am very fortunate it was only attached in 3 different locations. All right. Wow. That was a heck of a deal right there. But anyway, I will put this all back together, glue this facing piece back on here. And it won't hurt it any because I have to have a cover plate over this whole thing with the little handles in it. Okay, a couple little touch-up spots like that. And that just add a little glue to that and it just smears back into place. All right, you guys, there you go. This is another little bit of jewelry box video. Take care, Paper Army. I'd love to see you in the show Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Take care, Paper Army. Salute.